Dry buster.
Oh, that's really sick.
That's dope.
Man, you can remove the paint without using your fish hooks. Yo!
I had that problem yesterday, remember? I was like, yeah, no, this paint. Hooking them.
Oh, that's amazing. Morning, guys. Welcome back. We're back at Strictly's Fishing. We're about to get set. We're going out. Got Trevor back here. We got Thomas. We got Chuck. Chuck's working though. I wish he'd come out with us one day.
I'd like that.
You see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Well, anyways, he has got us all set up. We're about to be heading out. Maybe we can have some fish. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Make sure your fishing's off the hook. Peace. Baby, you should take it slow. Let's check this for a second. I'll be right back, brothers. Fuck, that's pretty solid so far. Oh, watch out for the side though. Oh, it's slushy. Actually, I don't know, bro. No, not there. You gotta move up more. There? When I stepped, I could feel my feet cracking below me. All right, let's try this. Let's try this. It's slushy on the side again still, but we'll see. Oh. That's how they came in.
Yeah, right there. Right.
I can't even. Let me see how many jukes. Oh fuck.
Oh, yeah, fuck.
Oh man, it's solid.
Yeah, we're good.
It's solid.
That's right here, a little slush, but
Yeah, it's just the sides. It's solid. All right, I'm gonna help you guys out. All right, we just arrived. It's not as cold today, so I feel much better.
no wind.
Yeah, no wind, so that's a good one. That's a good one. I like that.
Yep.
So we're just getting set up now. We got a gas power auger here. We sputtered our way out. The sides were a little thin because I think it rained. Well, it did rain a couple of days ago. I think it's because it rained. So let me fix myself there. Yeah, the ice looks like it's about 6 or 7 inches thick. Clear ice, so you can actually definitely see the thickness on it. Looks like it's very, very solid. No bubbles at all. People are just, you got one set up out there. You can skate on this ice. I should have brought some cleats, but we're good. Anyways, check out the fishing. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Right here? Yeah. Alright, that's good. Let's do this.
Just like that, man. 3 holes.
That's awesome. Well, we got our holes drilled. That was that. It took a second. That was like no time. That was awesome.
Hole?
2 holes in 2 seconds. Alright, let's do some fishing, brother. Alright guys, welcome back. Just got set up. Here we go. See what's down there. We'll be jigging 2 holes today. We can't even allowed to jig 2 holes. We got the hummingbird out there. Ice 35. Looks like we're marking fish already. We'll see how well we do. I got a jigging wrap on one, and then I got a and then I got a tungsten on the other. Oh, that was so quick! Holy cow! You guys see that? Look at that! Look at that, guys! Right off the bat, not even seconds. I just started talking. Got myself a nice largemouth bass. Let this nice one go here. That's awesome. There you go, baby. That was cool, bro.
Nice, bro.
Thank you, man. That was awesome. That was quick. Did you? I used an 8. Yeah, I used an 8 bait here, the white. Started jigging it, and pow! That was pretty cool. Let me check that out real quick when it comes to your fish too. What you got there? Let me see. Oh, it's nice, brother.
Yeah, it's nice little guy.
Hell yeah. So we're starting off great right now. Yeah, fish are active today. Fish are active. You got one? I seen it from here. Nice catch, brother. You got Trevor and a shanty over there. I just seen him pluck that out. Look at that. Well, guys, so far, everybody's got something. We start off pretty quick so far. I'm gonna go and check out Trevor. He's got the Vex. And right now, I'm using a hummingbird. We're gonna see what the difference is. I know he's got the better equipment. Check this out. He's got the Vexillor up there. Nice call, buddy.
They're all on bottom. Bunch of fish on bottom.
That's awesome. So that 5-foot flashing there, eh?
Right about here.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing on mine, but there's nothing there.
Oh, yeah, they're all sitting right up at bottom.
Yeah.
So fish right on top. He'll see them come up off bottom.
Yeah. I'm gonna head back to my hole. Maybe there might be a fish back on. I don't want to leave my rod. I might slide down the hole. Fish intend to do that and steal your rod sometimes, and it ends up in the bottom of the canal. Somebody else catches it. You go, Thomas.
Right.
You go, brother. Filing. Hello, guys. Got a little perch. A little chicken right here. Ooh. Back into the little hole you go. A lot of fish today. It's just small. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Oh, little bluegill. Got a bluegill, another one. Little tiny bluegill here. And I got a fish on. Holy cow, my line was all tangled, I got a fish on. I'm reeling it by hand. Oh, that's crazy, guys. I was untangling this. Oh, that's crazy. I was untangling my line. It was wrapped around my eye here. As you can see here, look at this. Check this out. It's all wrapped around my eye. I was trying to untangle this right here. And I ended up catching this little baby perch. There we go. Back in the hole, little tiny perch. Go, go. That was crazy. Well, guys, as you see so far, started off pretty hot. Caught that big largemouth bass. Oh, actually, it wasn't that big. Sorry. It was like 12 inches, alright? But through the ice, that was pretty big. Caught a couple perch, caught a couple bluegills, everybody caught a couple fish. Still here. Yeah, we got a lot of fish here. They're just small. They're usually in concentrated areas here. We caught them just mainly in like one spot. And usually around the 6-foot depth mark. So, hopefully we catch some more. It's a little slowing down. Nothing really big, nothing special. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, nice catch, brother. That was awesome. That was the zebra out there. Right there, right there. Well, this is our last day fishing out here. I love you guys. Right under my feet. Say, oh my god. Holy cow. I felt that whole thing. Oh, I got one.
You got one? Oh, nice.
See, they're biting over here. Look at that, guys. Nice bluegill there on the jigging wrap. Hit the treble. Here we go, back into the hole. Oh, boy. There you go. Let's catch another fish. Oh, 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 oh! I caught my other line too.
I caught a nice bluegill. I should have kept it.
Alright, guys, just got that bluegill there. Oh, right here, go back in there. Yes. Yep. Oh, it's the little ones though, man. Yep. A lot of little ones like this. Small perch. Back into the hole you go. Fire. We're producing. Yep, use the jigging wrap here. Hopefully catch a fish. Oh! There we go. Cool. Oh yeah. Look, it's all blue. That's nice. Oh yeah. Jiggy wrap. There we go. Back into the water. Well guys, that's the end of my day there. A little slower. Ended up catching that largemouth bass. Trevor caught a few perch. He was sitting inside of his shack there. My boy Thomas caught a bunch of bluegills there. They're all kind of small. I caught a bunch of bluegills also. We had a little hard time. I think it's because of the weather. It keeps changing. The temperature goes up and down. So until we get a little plateau, we might get a little bit better. Yeah, they're just packing up right now. So stay tuned. Make sure your fishing is off the hook. It's not that cold today. Peace.